Old Mutual is targeting agriculture, real estate, healthcare and venture capital in an aggressive diversification plan. The company says it will also tap into sustainable energy, financial services, manufacturing and education while maintaining its traditional investment portfolio. The group's managing director, Anthony Mwithiga, says the company is exploring various investment opportunities in Kenya and the region.
The last decade, there has been a notable shift by financial service providers towards alternative investment options in major diversification plans. These are seeing the number of investments in private equity and venture capital firms increase, indicating a positive reception of these alternative investment avenues. However, experts have been calling for tight regulations to safeguard returns and deter loss of investment among investors. Integrated financial service provider Old Mutual Investment Group, which is the asset management arm of the UAP Old Mutual, says it plans to tap into the alternative investment market to broaden its investment portfolio. The company says it targets various investment products like pension funds, renewable energy, health sector, education to help its clients benefit from high returns. The group's managing director, Anthony Mwithiga, says pension schemes need to work closely with experienced fund managers with a proven track record in the unique asset class.
The ones who are highly inclined to invest in our longer term alternative investments, because alternative investments tend to be long-term in nature, at least most of them. And corporate clients like pension funds who we manage have long-term capital, which is patient and is able to enjoy the long-term returns which come from alternative investments like infrastructure.
Alternative investments encompass non-traditional assets which may include private equity, agri-funds, private debt funds, REITs, impact funds, venture capital, hedge funds, art and antiques.
They provide a very good portfolio diversification effect in that during market cycles, during cycles in capital markets, they have shown steady returns. So low correlation to markets and market cycles, they are able to generate a lot of return, a lot of cash flows and capital appreciation because of their sustainability and steady nature.
Old Mutual says the diversification plan is anticipated to stimulate economic growth that benefits communities, investors and other stakeholders. Frederick Moki for Lunchtime News.